Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve review on Clash of Clans. To know how to fix or how to solve review on Clash of Clans app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you'll enter to Clash of Clans. Here you can go to first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. And you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.